Hello my beauty friends, I'm showing you another tutorial today where I'm going to do half of my face. One half is going to have blue eyeshadow, the other half is going to have pink. Right now I'm just covering the foundations of each side to be a different one. So this side's going to be blue, the other side's going to be pink. And we're going to see which one I choose to do. And I love using this Jaclynn Hill palette, and I wanted to use it in order to do the eyebrows, so you'll see me filling in the eyebrows first. And I love to use concealer as a primer because I think it's really helpful and it makes the eyeshadow stay a little bit better, I've noticed. I use a white color right here kind of to use the base to add kind of like a white canvas. It didn't go on as strong as I wanted to, but I'm still learning. Right now I'm using the Colored Rain palette. I got this one a while ago and I'm learning how to use it right now. I don't think I have the full control of the pigment as I'm putting it on, so I am learning how to do that. Right now you'll see that I'm actually sharpening some, not sharpening, I'm actually fixing some of the lines to make them a little bit smoother so it blends better, because some of them, when the lines are so distinct, you want to smooth that out. And I just cut the crease a little bit. And now I'm doing underneath the lid. Now for the blue eye, using the Colored Rain because those ones have very vivid pigments. So I did my transition colors and now I'm going on to the crease. And I'm cutting the crease right now, and I open my eyes while I'm doing that so I can see how high I need to cut. And again, smoothing out those lines and cleaning up just a little bit. Doing underneath the lid. Doing a little bit under the brow bone to kind of give a little bit more definition. Now for the netting. Some of these are Kylie cosmetic glazes that I used, and it was a little tricky trying to figure out how to make this work, but I finally figured it out. The brush was actually not giving me enough pigment, so I used some of the Colored Rain palette again, and then I used the Shimmer glaze from Kylie Cosmetics, and that finally made it come out, but I had to use my finger to make it work. So I pinned the net in place, then held it down, then I did the darker color first, and then afterwards I used the Kylie Cosmetics Shimmer glaze, and I used my finger to make that pigment come out more, and that was actually able to make the color underneath the netting show. And I was really happy with how it turned out. A little bit of color to define the cheeks just a little bit. And my favorite Becca highlighter is amazing. No look is complete without eyelashes, and then I decided to do some lipstick. I did half of my lips of the color of Summer Sunset, and then the other half is called Gold Champagne. Then I set the color with the liquid gloss, and there is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this mermaid tutorial, and see you guys later!